Hi, hello, namaste, all my dear PGCT students. A very big congratulations to all of you for getting your scores. And now let's all discuss about the further steps of KEA. So before going to that, those who have not yet checked out your provisional scores, I advise you to check out your provisional scores. I will be mentioning the link in the comment section. Okay. And coming back to the KEA, that's the Karnataka Examination Authority, with specially for PGCT counseling process, we'll discuss one by one. Okay, first of all, they are going to release the final or the ultimate rank. Okay, they are going to release the final provisional, the final score list as well as the final rank link. In the rank link, you can check your MBA, MCA, MMark and GATE rank so that it will help you for the upcoming process. Okay, so after that they are going to release the draft seat matrix. Now you'll be having a doubt, sir, what do you mean by draft seat matrix? So draft seat matrix is nothing but a list of the colleges with mentioning of the particular vacancy with particular branches. So that is known as draft seat matrix. For example, they are going to make a list of 50 colleges. So in that 50 colleges, how many colleges have the seats with respect to branch of CS with respect to that category? For example, there are many category: physically handicapped, disabled students. Okay, so with all the category, they are mentioning the total available seats in that particular college. They are going to send a PDF, okay, in that particular KEA website, so which I'll be sending in our WhatsApp group. So one more thing, those who have not yet joined our WhatsApp group, please join it. You can WhatsApp me at 7892575079. I will add you in our group. Okay, after getting a draft seat matrix, they are going to release the final seat matrix so that you will be getting a clear idea of how many seats are available with respect to the category, with respect to the branches of that particular college. So now it's your work to make a list of colleges, at least 50 to 70 colleges with respect to in a descending order. So what do you mean by descending order? Descending order is nothing but, for example, first college I will add RV College, which I feel it's a best college to me. Second college I will add PES College because I give top priority for RV College, then top 2 priority for PES College, and top 3 priority for BMS College, and top the fourth priority for the Dayanand College. Okay. Likewise, you can make your list up to 50 college in the descending order. So this homework is set by KEA itself in the information bulletin. You can also check out in the website. Okay, it's all the homework which you have to make from now onwards so that it will help you in the counseling process, because during the option entry or the first round you need to enter these colleges. Okay, so how to enter, what do you mean by option entry, everything I will make a detailed video, okay, wherein you can watch it completely. Okay, so with that said, students, so after getting the final rank as well as the draft seat matrix and final seat matrix, they are going to release the fee structure. Last year the fee structure was different, but this year the fee structure will be changed. Okay, so that particular fees details they will be sending a PDF, and then they are going to release the medical verification for physical handicapped students only. Okay, those who are disabled, so you'll be having a medical verification. After doing the medical verification, they are going to release the fee structure. After getting a fee structure, they are going to make a link that will help you to download your verification slip. So what do you mean by verification slip? Verification slip is nothing but a slip that contains a secret key or the option entry number which you have to enter that particular code to enter in the option entry. Okay, so you'll be getting many doubts. So what is this option entry, what is this draft seat matrix, what is this verification slip, everything. So don't worry, step by step I will explain everything. But before, I'm earlier only I'm making this video so that you'll be getting an idea of what all the concept you have to go through it. Okay, so don't worry, everything I'll be explaining. I am here, our team is here with you. So every year we do make a videos and lot of the guidance for the students. Also we offer some of the services so that the students will get a better seat in the colleges. Okay, so with that said, don't worry, I am with you. So the KA is going to soon release the final rank link, and thereafter the draft seat matrix and final seat matrix, and also they will schedule the dates for the medical verification of the physical handicapped students, and then they are going to release the fee structure. After releasing the fee structure, they are going to release the link to download the verification slip. After getting a link to download the verification slip, then the actual first round will begin. Okay, so in the first round you are going to add the number of colleges. I said na 50 to 70 colleges. That particular list you have to enter in the option entry online only. Okay, and then the mock allotment will happen. Okay, for example, while playing a cricket, you will play a trial ball, yes or no? So in the same way, in KA also you will definitely get a mock allotment, mock round will say. After mock or say trial allotment, then the actual allotment first round will begin, and thereafter second round will begin, and lastly third round. Only 3 rounds will be there. So within 3 rounds you have to get the admission. Okay, so everything I will explain in the detail in the next video, don't worry. So if you have visited first time to our channel, please like, share and subscribe. We will soon meet in the next video. Okay, I will be updating everything in our WhatsApp group, so please join our WhatsApp group. Also, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. All the best.